and welcome to HP Calcs. Rick here, and we're going to have a quick look at the Casio fx-260 solar calculator and how to do fractions and decimals on it and convert between the two. Alright, and to do this we'll be using the A, B over C key, which is located right here, and the Shift key right here. So both those keys are in the top left corner of your keypad. Alright, so to start off, if you want to start entering fractions, that's where you'll be using this A, B over C key. So if we had a calculation like this, 1 over 2, we would press the 1 first, and then the A, B over C key, and then the 2. You can see there's this little L shape that appears after the 1 or the numerator. That represents the line between the two. So this is 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 here, so 3 A, B over C, 4 equals. And you can see this spits us out a mixed fraction because we entered these in as fractions. So this represents 1 and 1/4, or 1 and 1 over 4. Now if we want this as a decimal, we can press the A, B over C key again, and see it converts to 1.25. which is the same as 1 and 1/4. If we press it again, it converts back to 1 and 1/4. We can also convert this from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction by using the Shift A, B over C. There you can see this gives us 5 over 4, or 5/4, which is the same as 1 over 4, or again, press that and get 1.25. Unfortunately, I'm not aware of any way to convert from decimals exclusively to fractions. So you would have to enter, let's say, 1 over 2, then press equals, and then AB over C to get that decimal. You can't go straight from 0.5 to a fraction. You have to know that. You can also enter mixed fractions right away. So let's say we had this 1 and 1 over 4. We would enter it as 1 A, B over C, 1 A, B over C, 4. You can see those two little L's representing the different numbers. So that 1 is our big one out front, our whole number. The middle one is our numerator 1 in the 1/4. And that 4, again, is the denominator. And again, we can convert. If we press equals, we can convert between decimals and fractions on that. Alright, I hope that helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.